Okay, so ayan nga, no? Nandito naman tayo sa ating problem about the equilibrium. This is one of the requests of our viewers, kung paano daw nangyayari or paano daw na-solve itong problem na ito. So, okay, so without further ado, solve natin itong problem. The lift swing is used to hoist a container having a mass of 500 kg. If the maximum tension allowed in each cable is 5 kN, determine the shortest lengths of the cable AB and AC that can be used for the lift. The center of gravity of the container is located at G. Okay, so yung unahin natin itong G. Kasi meron tayong compute muna natin yung mass dito. Or yung weight. May weight siya dyan, di ba? Okay, so our weight is equivalent to mass times the gravitational acceleration, that is 500 times 9.81 equals 4905. Okay, so that is 4905 Newton. The unit would be Newton kasi nasa kilogram meter per second squared. So that is equivalent to Newton. Okay, so next, i-analyze naman natin itong drawing. So the drawing says that meron tayong W. Yung W, of course, paghahatian niya to, magkakaroon yung W over 2. Paghahatian nilang dalawa kasi nasa symmetry. Diba? Nasa symmetrical form sila. Tapos yung W mo is nandito sa gitna. So, ibig sabihin symmetry. So, W paghatian talaga. And then the load here, if pagdating kasi dito, magkakaroon yan itong loads. Yung W. Tapos kukunin itong tension. Diba? Ito ngayon yung bago mong W over 2. Pababa na siya. Tapos kukunin itong tension itong AC. This would be the tension AC. Diba? Pagdating naman dito sa taas, ganito naman yung magiging form niya. This is our tension AC and this would be our tension AB. Okay? Ganyan na yung ating magiging free body diagram. And according to our Cartesian, gagawin natin ng Cartesian coordinate. So this would be our theta and this is our also theta. Okay? So let us isolate this one. So based on our illustration, madali mong makukonclude na that your W here is equivalent to this load here or this F. So F is equal to W also. Diba? Ngayon, kung meron ka ng illustration na ganito, meron ka ng free body diagram. That would be your free body diagram. Okay? That is your free body diagram. So, ang magiging resulta mo dyan, we have the summation of forces vertical is equal to 0. So, ano ba yung mga summation? Ito, magkakaroon ka dito ng TACX, Y, I mean. Diba? Meron kang W equivalent to TABY plus TACY. Okay? Since symmetry to, ibig sabihin, TAC is equivalent to TAB. Diba? Symmetry kasi sila eh. Kahit anong gawin mo dyan. So, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka dito ng dalawang 2TABY or TACY kung ano yung gusto mong gamitin. Kasi ganon din naman. At saka W, 2, yung itong TABY, that is T, diba? That is TAB sign of the angle. Diba? Sign yan. So, sabihin natin TAB is equivalent to TAC is equivalent to T. Sabihin lang natin para hindi tayo maggawa ng mga ganitong subscript. So, sabihin natin W is equal to T o 2T sin theta. Kasi parehas lang din naman yung ating magiging value dyan. Ibig sabihin, this would be also our t and this is our t. Diba? Ganun din naman. Okay. So, solve natin. So, meron tayo ditong 2t sine of 495 because of this equation. Okay? So, solve natin by 2. Makukuha natin yung sine. Lipat natin yung 2t sa baba. And then, wala tayong value ni t. Yun yung ating magiging problema. But we are given the maximum allowable tension of the cable na 5 kN. So, gamitin natin yung 5,000. Bakit 5,000? Because this is Newton. Newton kasi yung FAR 905. So, gumamit din tayo dito ng Newton. Convert natin yung 5,000 into Newton. Okay? So, that is 4905 divided by 2 times 5,000. We have theta of 29.373. Okay? That's it, our angle. Okay, how about for kasi hindi pa naman yun yung hinahanap, medyo madali na. Kasi yung hinahanap dito is itong triangle na lang. Concentrate na lang tayo dito sa triangle na to. So, ito yung hinahanap na length. That is the length of AC and AB. Diba? So, we will get the value of, since 1.5, we have cosine of theta, which is your 29.37, tapos 1.5 over L. Diba? Okay. So, that's it. So, we will get the value of 1.72. 72.1. Okay, so ganun lang siya kadali. But, for example, may choices. For example, nagbo-board exam na, may choices kayo, nakalagay lang dun sa choices is, for example, letter A is equivalent to, yung L mo is equivalent to 1.7 lang. Hindi siya eksakto na 1.72. Okay, so, computein mo muna dito yung angle. So, 1.7. Diba? Kukumputin mo muna. How will we compute that one? Ito yung 1.7. For example, sabihin mo sa 1.7. Diba? So, mangyayari dyan is shift. Tapos, 1.5. Yung 1.5 kasi hindi magbabago. That is 1.7. Magkakaroon tayo ng angle na 28. Yung theta mo is 28.072. Diba? Tapos ito, kopyahin mo ngayon. Gawin mo tong T 4905 over 2 sine of the angle. Ito na yung angle na gagamitin mo, na 28.02. Tapos sabihin mo, ngayon is 4905 divided by 2 sine of 28 na 28.027. So, lalabas ngayon, yung T mo is equivalent to 5211 kilonewton. Newton, I should say. This would be Newton. So, yung T mo is lumagpas ka na sa allowable na 5 kilonewton. Diba? According sa allowable tension ng ating cable is hanggang 5,000 lang. So ngayon kung 1.7 na ginamit mo is kasi yun yung sinasabi mo doon sa choices kasi yun yung pinaka-close, di ba? Yun yung pinaka-close. So ibig sabihin magiging mali yung sagot mo. Kasi yung tension mo is umaabot ka na ng 5.2 kilonewton. So mali. So for example naman, letter B, 1.8. 1.8 yung length mo. So, convert mo ulit, or gawa ka ulit, o sabihin mo naman, cosine 1.5, tapos 1.8. So, magkakaroon ka ng angle na 33.557. Diba? Tapos, gamitin mo ulit ito. Sabihin mo, T 4905 over 2 sine of the angle. Ito na yung angle na naman na gagamitin mo. So, ganito naman siya, 4905 divided by 2 sine of 33.557. So, tingnan mo. Yung T mo is 4.4 kilonewton. So, ibig sabihin, dito ka pumapasok. So, ibig sabihin, isasagot mo dapat doon sa choices is ito. Kung may 1.9 pa doon, mas pasok itong 1.9. Pero of course, doon ka sa magiging maximum na magiging haba na niya. Shortest length pala, shortest kasi ito yung pinakamaiksi na magiging shortest distance niya or shortest length. 'Di ba? Yung 1.9 kasi pasok na pasok pero mahaba na kasi 1.9 na. 'Di ba? Yung 1.7 naman kanina sa letter A, yung 1.7 maiksi siya, short distance, short length, kaya lang is magkakaroon siya ng mas malaking tension, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, yung pinakamainam na sagot mo dyan is 1.8. Although, kasi yung isasagot mo kasi talaga dyan is 1.7 kasi yung pinakamalapit. Di ba? 1.7 kasi parang nag-downgrade, pero i-analyze mo muna yung problem. So, we will answer for 1.8.